Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Varennes, Quebec, is a charming town on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, just a short drive from Montreal. Varennes has a rich history dating back to 1672, when it was founded as one of the oldest parishes in the region. It's named after René Gautier de Varennes, an early seigneur whose son, Pierre Gautier de Varennes, became a famous explorer credited with expanding French influence into Western Canada. This town played a notable role in Canadian religious history, particularly with the establishment of the sanctuary of Saint Anne of Varennes in 1675. Today, visitors can admire the impressive Saint Anne Basilica, a place of pilgrimage and architectural beauty. Varennes is also known for its scenic landscapes. The town offers lovely views of the St. Lawrence River and is home to parks like Parc de la Commune, perfect for walking, picnicking, or simply enjoying the tranquility. The river itself provides opportunities for boating and fishing, making it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're here for history, nature, or just a quiet escape from the city, Varennes has something special to offer.
watching!